Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Sorry I'm late, got a lot of things going on. If y'all seen in the community post there, my husband had a knee replacement and he's not doing too well, but I had some time here to jump on and share this apple cake with y'all. It's delicious. We know what autumn's coming up, I think it's the 22nd or the 23rd of this month, and I'm already getting into it. The smells of the spices and like I said, I'm sorry I'm late. He's up at the hospital. They're going to be doing some tests on his leg because he's not doing too good. So this gave me some time, and hopefully I can get a slice of this cake up there to him. So let's go ahead and get started. Get your oven preheated to 325. Spray or oil you a 9 by 13 baking pan. And here in my bowl, my oven is preheating. I have my flour. This is a good cake, y'all. Y'all give this a try. Where's my whisk? Here's my flour. And everything you need for this cake is in the description box. That's where I leave all the ingredients. Here's all my spices, my baking soda, and my salt. That's all there. And we're just going to get this whisked up. Okay, now if you're one like me and you keep your apples in the fridge just to try to keep them fresh longer, make sure you take them out because you don't want to bake the cold apples. They'll stay hard. So bring them to room temperature first in your eggs. Okay, so here in my bowl, I have my eggs. And I'm just going to beat these up a little bit. I'm going to add in my oil. Get it all in there. Some melted butter that has been cooled down. Vanilla. It's an easy cake. I think the hardest part is chopping all the apples, right? I have that, my brown sugar and my white sugar. And I'm just going to get this all mixed up. Okay, now to that, we're going to put our dry mixture in there. Our flour and spices and soda and salt. And just get this. You don't want to overmix, okay? Don't overmix. This is a nice moist cake that's delicious on its own. It'll have like a caramel, not really, well, it's like a caramel, I guess. Somewhat, I guess. A good glaze over it. And I got that semi-mixed up. Chop your apples at the last minute because you don't want them browning on you, oxidizing. Maybe 1/2-inch cubes. And fold those in. Now here's where you can also add in some walnuts or pecans, but I like to put my walnuts, on top of the glaze. But you can definitely put some in here, or do both, some in here and on top. But I'll get that mixed up, but don't overmix, just until everything is come together. Don't beat it, just fold it in. Okay, I have my oiled or sprayed, whatever you have. Now the batter is really thick. And you're just going to get this all in your pan and get it all evened out. Remember to scrape the bottom of your bowl. Get all of that out. Let me get this spread out. Okay. I got that all spread out even. The oven just beeped, so it's ready. So in the oven it goes. Toothpick in it. If it comes out clean, it's done. Mine normally takes between 50 minutes to an hour. Just don't overbake it. Just keep an eye on it. Okay, in the oven it goes. Okay, friends, mine baked. Oh, I wish y'all could smell it in here right now. It smells so good. Mine baked for 55 minutes. Now keep an eye on your cake. Ovens vary. Yours may cook hotter. Not so hot, may take longer, may take less. But I would definitely start checking it at 50 minutes. You know your oven. So we're going to let this cool almost completely, and then we'll start the glaze when we know this is just about cooled down. Okay, my cake is barely warm. It's okay if it's still a little warm. Here in my pan, I have my brown sugar, my heavy cream, and my butter. Now you're just going to cook this, but don't stop stirring. You want this on a medium-high heat. And once it comes to a boil, time it for 3 minutes. But wait before you time it till you see it boiling. Okay, keep stirring. Okay, you can see there, see it boiling? Time it. 3 minutes. Get all around the pan, keep scraping. That's where you want it, 3 minutes. Okay, now remember, medium-high. You don't want to boil too hard. You do want it to boil. But if you go 3 minutes and you're hard boiling, it's going to overcook. So I'm going to put this in my old sift here. I don't want no lumps with my powdered sugar here. But I'll just get this all sifted in there. You want a smooth consistency. The sifter here is so old. But it works. You guys are going to love this cake. If you like apples, you see any chunks in there, just break it down in there. Get that all out of there. And then I'll get my vanilla. Boy, I can eat this stuff by the spoonfuls. And we'll get this drizzled over that cake. Let me get this over here out of the way. Get our apple cake there. Let me get the rest of the sugar out of here. Still a little bit in here. I want it all. Okay. And if it gets too thick on you, if you did go a little too long, just add a little bit of milk or water to it. Just a little bit at a time. And I'm just going to keep stirring this till it's nice and smooth. Okay. Got that all smoothed out. And we are just going to... Now this cake is delicious warm with some ice cream. And it's delicious cold. Just get it poured right over. And I'm telling you, it ain't gonna last long. It really is good. Now you can just leave it like that, or you can spread it out. Spread it out a little bit. Don't that look good? Why am I whispering? Rox, I told everybody why am I whispering? Probably because you don't hear me, so you don't get none of it. Did you hear me, Rock? What? I said I told everybody why am I whispering? I said, probably so you don't know it's done because you're not getting any. Yes, I am. Now I'm going to go in with some walnuts. Now, people don't like walnuts. Do have the cake with it. Will I put the wash on? You put it on, put this on the nuts as soon as your frosting is on there, so those nuts will adhere to it. And if it starts tightening up, just give it a press. And I'll let this set probably 5 minutes, and we're going to have a piece of apple cake. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to cut into this with y'all. When you eat this cake, when you first eat it, when it's done, the corners taste like a brownie. I guess I'll just use my spatula to cut it with. Figured I'd cut it here with y'all so you can see me take it out. I always come back with the final presentation, right? Nah, not this time. I'm just going to take it out. Can y'all see there? Let me see ya. And that cake should come right up out of there, and it's still warm. Oh, yes. Look at that. See those apples? Is that blurry? Get there. Oh. Is that ever good? Look at that. It's delicious, y'all. I hope y'all give it a try. That'd be good with my cup of coffee, cold glass of milk. Like I said, some ice cream. But there it is. You guys give this a try this year. I mean, it doesn't have to be. You can make this cake whenever you want. But you know how we all get that exciting feeling when fall starts coming around. We want to bake and smell those spices, and this is the cake. It's good cold, like I said, and it's delicious warm. Those apples are perfect. I use the Honey Crisp apple. That's what I use. That's what we like, so that's what I used. It'll all be in the description box. And if you're new to the channel, I welcome you. Please like, subscribe, and share. It truly helps support my channel, and I'm very appreciative of it. But until next time, like I say, eat well, love one another, stay blessed, and we will see you all soon. Make you up some of this cake. You'll be glad you did. So will your family. Bye-bye.